Yeah, okay. How was exam?
Nice sir.
Good,
Easy.
sir.
बहुत easy था ना?
बहुत easy.
Yes, sir.
And even I seen the response as well. The response is also good. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm just showing you what is the correct answers for now. Okay, so if in case if you have any query, please tell me right now. So for the first questions, if you want to navigate from one activity to another activity, then the Android provide you which class? The answer is intent. Okay, then which of the following is a type of dialog in Android? The answer is all of the above, because alert dialog box, date picker dialog, time picker dialog, all are the example of type, or we can say type of dialog box. Which of the following XML attribute of text view element is useful if no text has been specified? Then answer is hint. ठीक है, अगर text नहीं है, then this will be useful. Android colon hint. What is the contain within a layout XML file? The answer is orientation and the layout that specify what display look like. Now the next question is, which methods are called when you reopen the minimized app? Okay, then exact order will be on restart, on start, on resume. For the next one, there are two types of two activities are there, activity 1 or A or B, and if you want to pass some data and that data is mobile application development from activity A to B, then what code you need to write? The answer will be the first one, in which it is written dot class, and here also that is mentioned here, the name that is tag is mentioned. So first option is correct, which is saying activity B dot class. Then which method is useful used to display the message in a toast notification? To display the toast message, the answer is dot show method. Okay, means show method. Which one of the following options true about the figure? And as you can see here, there are 3 dots, and we know that we have seen the menus, and this is the example of option menu. The answer will be option menu. And which XML is used to define the custom themes and look for the UI of the application? The answer will be style.xml. Okay, so there is a no theme.xml is available, color and looks. This files are not available. Looks वाली available नहीं है, theme वाली available नहीं है, color वाली available है. For color we are using just for giving some custom color, and that we can use in our application. But for the themes and looks, for overall the application, we can go for the style.xml file. That is the correct answer.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in our Android Studio, we can see themes.xml too.
Sorry?
Yes sir. Themes.xml is there.
Themes.xml.
Yeah, sir.
Yes sir.
Yeah, sure.
Style
Which
is
one?
not there. The theme is there.
Can you show me the style is not there? This is what you are saying?
Sir, we have colors and strings.xml, and then there is a folder themes.xml.
But are you talking about
And
that
inside
style
that
is
there is
not
two
available?
files. And
Are you
inside,
saying that the style.xml is not there? स्टाइल है या नहीं है वो तो बता दो, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू.
सर मेरे यहाँ अभी पावर गया है, वरना मैं दिखा देता है सर।
It's fine, no issue. According to you, the style is there or not? Just tell me that. Okay, if you don't know, then there is a style.xml is available.
सर मैंने तो जस्ट यही बोला कि मेरे में थीम्स है, कोई दूसरे ने बोला था स्टाइल नहीं है।
Okay, themes है तो मुझे बताना, and also show me if you can show me with the example that using that particular file you can give the look and feel, okay, and whatever the question is mentioned, and if it is giving the correct answer with example, if you show me, then accordingly I will also give the marks for theme.xml as well. Okay, for the custom themes and looks for UI of application. Okay, it's fine. If you think, okay, then we can also give the marks for the themes.xml as well, but proper proof के साथ मुझे बताना, ठीक है? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, what is the parent class of all the activities widget? The answer will be view. And by default, the orientation of linear layout is horizontal. Activity lifecycle, what is the first callback method invoked by the system? The answer will be on create method. If there are two activities and activities in application named activity A and activity B, if you want to invoke from B activity from activity A, then again it's a use of intent, and the first answer is the correct one, in which it is saying activity B dot class. And to use web view, the application will require internet permission. Yes, that's a true. And for Dalvik virtual machine, optimize virtual machine for all of the above. And the blank is used to show the notification for a particular interval of time, that अगर ये किसी ने नहीं आंसर करेक्ट किया, the answer is toast. अगर ये नहीं किया, that means they have not attended any lectures till now. Which of the following is the answer for this is toast. Which of the following is not an Android component? The answer is layout. Layout is not an Android component. The remaining are the component of the Android. To select the mandatory attribute for any view inside a containing layout manager, the answer is layout width. Layout width and height are compulsory attribute for any view inside a layout manager. Which of the following is not a valid Android resource type? Okay, so if you just know कि resource के अंदर कितने folders होते हैं, कौन से files होते हैं, then also you can give the answer. Drawable, layout, bitmap. In the values there are colors, strings, and style. This all you can say they are resource type. So manifest clearly is the answer for this, which is a not Android resource type. Then what will be the output of if we write the following code in activity_main.xml file? And the answer for this, it's nothing but the option A, okay, in which it is the one part is the total is 3 part, and out of 3 part, the 1/3 is occupied by the first button, and the 2/3 is occupied by the second one, which is saying XYZ. That is the correct answer, because the weight sum is given, that is 3, so total will be 3 size, and out of 3 the first button is occupying that weight, and the second button is for 2, so 1/3 and 2/3. That is what, and the first button is this, the second is this, like ABC and XYZ, total 3 parts. So this is the correct answer, not this. What will be the output if we run the following code? The answer will be app will crash. Okay, app will crash. The reason is that we have not linked the BTN button को link नहीं किया, so that's why the application will crash. ये आंसर हो सकता था अगर हम अगर properly link करते हैं, otherwise the remaining code is fine. only we know that there are two main steps: creating the object and link it. So if you don't link it, application will crash.
Sir, I have a doubt in this question.
Yes.
Sir, as you told that suppose if it was mentioned like it was linked, but we don't know the designing part, like what name has been given. So how can we say that the link part has been
Even
referred to?
even if you think कि अगर जो बटन है, ठीक है, अगर है ही नहीं, ठीक है, बट लिंक तो करना ही चाहिए ना. What do you think?
But I am not talking about this answer. I am talking if in question it
Okay.
was been given that given with the particular links and all, but we don't know the part about the designing part, like
Okay.
what name has been referred to this button.
Okay.
So how can we say that it is been the link part is correct or not?
हाँ, वो पर अगर लिंक पार्ट दिया होता तो की बात है ना, बट लिंक तो पार्ट तो हमने यहाँ पे किया ही नहीं है.
सर लिंक की आईडी नहीं दी तो एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो तो वो जो आईडी है वो रेड में शो करता है ना, वहां से पता चल जाएगा
Yes.
ना.
बट हमने तो लिंक ही नहीं किया ना, बात ये है.
वो उसको
Yes,
बता
sir.
रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, ओके, फाइन. इफ इट इल मतलब अगर वो प्रॉपरली नहीं है तो वो रेड कलर में शो करता है. अगर मतलब अगर वो प्रॉपर आईडी नहीं होता इन दैट केस, बट यहाँ पे तो लिंक ही नहीं किया गया. So that's why whenever you open your application, when you click it, and the application will be crash because there is a no link कि अगर वो बटन है तो वो किसके साथ, कौन से कंट्रोल के साथ लिंक है.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then which of the following output is correct for the given XML? ठीक है. Then answer will be for this is nothing but I think here it is saying option 3, that is the correct answer, in which there is some part is missing. The reason is their number of star is 7, so this answer cannot be there. Okay, and the step size is also given, which is 0.1. Okay, and the rating is given, that is 1.75. Okay, so rating means by default rating. So correct answer is option 3. Then which of the following is the method for toggle button? And I think all are the answers. All are the correct answers.
Yeah, sir, all.
Yes. And in linear layout, the attribute is used to sum up all the child attribute weight. Then already that question is already available. So if you already know weight sum, then वो भी आपको आ जाता है and ये भी आपको आ जाता है. So answer is weight sum. What is the name of folder that contain Android manifest.xml file? The answer is manifest file. That's sorry, folder, manifest folder. How many sections are available in Android architecture? The answer is 5. There are 4 layers, but sections are 5. Still, if you think in any of the options there is wrong, or whichever the answer I have told you which is wrong, then मतलब अगर आपको ऐसा confusion वाला भी है.
Theme.xml1.
Sorry.
Theme.xml.
Yes.
That go custom themes and looks for UI.
हाँ.
The themes.xml will come. So for the new version of Android Studio, it's themes.xml, not style.
Okay. Can you share the screen?
Sir, I have joined by phone. Sir, I will send you the screenshot.
Sir, just
Yes.
the electricity come. I will share my screen after some
Okay.
minutes. And sir, the manifest one is if we consider the Android project view, then the manifest file in the manifest folder, and if we consider the project view, then the manifest file in the main folder.
But that who is sharing? and there is no option which you are saying manifest, Java, resource and layout. Only these options are available. Who is sharing? Divyam, you?
Yeah, sir. Just a few minutes.
Okay.
I will show you the both manifest one and the themes one.
Okay.
Sir, someone has shared the screenshot about the themes.xml.
Yes, wait. Okay, so for this question, am I audible? Yeah. Okay, so for
Yes,
this
yes.
question, we will consider both answer, that is style.xml and theme.xml both.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And yes, the highest marks is 30. And you probably will also see the result in a 1 week, or I can also tell you those number I'm saying, that will be, wait. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please check your marks over weight. This is CSC. It is starting from here. This is marks, and those who have given the theme.xml, they can increase 1 mark in that.
Sir, so styles and themes will be considered, right?
Yeah. Styles,
Okay,
styles
both.
and themes both will be considered as the answers.
Yeah.
So this is from 1 to 54. Then 54 to 114. And this is 115 to 159. Then after that, 161. From 161, from this to last one. This is for B2D students. Meet Rahul, Harshil, Vivek, Yash, Nupur, Divyam, Nupur. There are two Nupurs and Chintan and Path. Okay, only 29 is for meet. Okay, that is CE students. The minimum marks is 20 and the highest is 30. 21, sorry, 20 to 30.
Hello, sir. I need
Yes,
permission to share.
sorry.
I need rights to share my screen. I want to show you the project thing, the manifest one.
Okay. What is your number?
119 Divyam.
119.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, as you can see, it's a project view, right? And the manifest file is inside the main folder,
Main folder. Yes.
right?
Yes.
And in the Android,
Hmm.
it's in manifest file.
Okay. So what's
So
your
I just
yes.
there is no mention about the Android view or project view.
Yeah,
There's
that's fine. Okay. So that I understand, but the answer is correct, right? What is the correct answer is
there
mentioned?
was no main folder in the option, though
Yeah.
we only have
So that's
one
why it is
choice.
correct. But if in the next time I will keep that thing in mind that there is a two
Yeah.
different views, so I will mention the Android as well. But the remaining, overall, if we think about the answer will remain the same because there is a no option like main, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay, so we have a 10 to 15 minute. We can go for a very small application. That will be like call application. Basically, what we will do, there will be one edit text. There will be one button. If we click on that button, so whatever the numbers which we have written, we will go from whenever we click on the button, we can go for the inbuilt call application and call will be connected. So that is what the thing we are going to create. In this is very small application, and as we have a less time, so that's why we are going for this. So there is some problem in my case. I'll running this application, but don't worry, it will work because I have checked. Even I cannot run this the same thing here in a emulator, but that application you need to run in your mobile device. So let's go for this. So in a design part, what I have done, okay, no, I have not done any coding, fine. So in a design part, as you can see here, let me check the voice. Okay, fine. So in a design part, what I have done, I have a one edit text, I have one button. Let me remove this and let me give here the hint property. Please. Enter number. Okay, so we will enter here number. There will be button, and let me change its text to call. Okay, so again, for calling from our application, we require permission as well. And before going for the permission, let's do the coding. And again, this will be very easy, and it can be done directly by using the class, using the object of intent itself. So this is, you can say, the another application, or we can we have already seen this, that we can go from one activity to another, means from one application to another application as well. So using our application, basically using the permission, we are using the call, or we can say phone application of your mobile, and using that we are calling which the numbers which we have entered. So let's do that part. As we have edit text, so let's right here create the object of edit text and the button as well. Again, I have put here the button, normal button. You can also take some image button and you can put the icon, or you can put some image of call. The code will be same, just instead of button, you just need to make sure it is image button, and you need to link it. I'm linking here the button as well. Okay, and on click of button, I want to do the call, right? So again, set on click listener. Okay, so what we have to do, actually, we have to call. Okay, so for call, we have to create the object of intent, and there are some parameters which we need to pass. We have done this part as well, and after that, again, as we have to call this method, which is start activity, जो हमने अभी तक किया है already. So now here in the parameter, you need to do some changes. Generally what we are doing, we are writing here the source file and the destination file name, in case if you want to go from one activity to another activity in a same application. So for calling, so what we have to type here, we have to use the class intent. We are not using the object here, we are using the class intent. And here you need to select dot action call. To call, we need to use here action call. And the second parameter which you need to pass is URI dot parse. And as it is a telephone number, so here you need to, in a double quotes, you need to write tel. Basically that is for telephone or for call. So TEL, and colon you need to provide here. And after that, on which number you need to call. So whichever the numbers which is present in this edit text, the same number will be called. So for again that thing, we need to get whatever written in that edit text. So et dot get text dot toString is the method we have to call. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, so first parameter, it will be intent. This is again, this is not an object, this is not this object. So this is the class intent dot action call. In the second parameter, it is URI dot pass, and what we need to pass is the telephone. Okay, so basically we want to go from our application to the telephone application, and in that we are also passing the data, which is what data we are passing, whichever we are getting in the edit text, that data we are passing here. Okay, so only this thing you need to do. And one more thing, in a permission, in a manifest file, if you go, we have done this thing in a web view as well. And for phone call application, here you need to also provide some permission. So we have to use this tag, that is use permission, and android dot permission dot call phone. In case if you want internet permission, you can use internet permission, the second option. But if you want to use a call, then you need to use call phone. This permission you need to provide. Once it is done, okay, so what you need to do, go to in a build, then build APK, and then build APK. Okay, करना क्या है, basically what we are doing, we cannot run this application properly in our emulator. So what you can do, you can build APK. ठीक है, APK बनाओ. जैसे ही आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो APK बन जाएगा. ठीक है, then here there will be some option will be given, that is locate. तो वहां से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि जो आपकी APK बनी है, मतलब आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा कि that your APK will be successfully built, or something like that message will be provided. And there are two links will be available. The one is for locate. So when you click on locate, you will be redirect to the particular file location कि जहां पे आपकी APK फाइल स्टोर होती है. ठीक है, and that file you can transfer from computer to mobile phone, and then you can run. Okay, and दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन अगर आप चाहते हो, बेसिकली व्हाट वी नीड, जो भी आप एपीके जनरेट करोगे वो आपको बेसिकली इंस्टॉल करना है इन मोबाइल फोन, एंड दैट यू नीड टू रन, you need to try to run. But whenever you are going for running our application, जब भी इंस्टॉल कर दो, रन करने के पहले आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, that it will if you go in a settings in application, then in your application जो भी है, suppose in my case it is call 2021 2022 try to, तो जो भी एप्लीकेशन का नाम होगा, तो वो आपको जैसे ही आप ओपन करोगे, ठीक है, तो वैसे ही आपको दिखेगा कि वो एप्लीकेशन है, एंड उसमें आपको एक परमिशन प्रोवाइड करनी होगी, दैट इज फॉर कॉल. ठीक है, वंस यू प्रोवाइड दैट परमिशन, you can able to call. And also by coding also you can give that permission, but for now we are not seeing that. We are just saying that how we can go from one activity to, basically we can go from that particular application, but using the permission from the mobile phone. ठीक है, तो ये जैसे ही एप्लीकेशन हो जाए, एपीके बिल्ड करो, ट्राई टू इंस्टॉल इट. वंस इट इज इंस्टॉल, ट्राई टू ओपन वंस, डोंट रन इट. मतलब एक बार ओपन करके देखो, एंड देन सेटिंग्स में जाके, एप्लीकेशन में जाके, जो पर्टिकुलर आपकी एप्लीकेशन वहां पे क्लिक करोगे, देन इट विल टेल यू दैट इट विल रिक्वायर टू परमिशंस, और परमिशन फोल्डर होगा या फिर ऐसा कुछ होगा परमिशन, वहां पे जाके क्लिक करोगे, देन इट विल टेल यू दैट फोन जो आपकी एप्लीकेशन है उसकी परमिशन मांग रहा है, दैट यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड. वंस यू प्रोवाइड, देन ओनली योर एप्लीकेशन विल वर्क फाइन. So basically what we are doing, we are taking the permission, okay, and once the permission is given, then we are using that application for call. And once you're able to do it using your application, please take a screenshot, because this is also one of your practical. Okay, so once it is done, but make sure करना कि वो परमिशन आप दे हो, ठीक है, अदरवाइज मे बी आपकी एप्लीकेशन क्रैश हो जाएगी, या फिर आपका जब बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, लाइक दैट, if you don't give the permission. Here we have provided the permission, but it will ask you the permission. And even if you are installing the application first time, then again your mobile phone is will not provide that access. So again you need to go into particular place that you can access, or you can install the application from unknown source. Okay, and once you mark it, then it will ask you to install your application. For the first time, it will tell you that it is from unknown source, so you cannot download it, you cannot install it. Maybe it contains some virus or like that. So once you give the permission, you can install it. Once it is installed, try to open it, and don't directly call it using that application. Once you open it, go to in a settings, application, give the and click on the particular application, means basically your application, select karna, and then you can go to in a permission, and then you can give the permission. Let me check if there is some settings. So application app. Okay, so like this, once you go to your application, जैसे मैं गया यहाँ पे, go to settings. Once you open it, go to settings and sorry, application. Then you can also go into app permission. Then select the particular application, or either by going here or by going here into particular application, and then there will be some permission option. Then you need to give the permission to access your phone. Once it is done, then your application will work fine. Okay, so that is one line of code in a manifest file, and here as well, 2 lines of code here. Mainly there's 2 new things, or we can say 1 line of code which is new for us. And why I'm telling you to take a screenshot, because this is also one of your application, or we can say one of the practical of your practical list. So if you take the screenshot, then you can put in your output. Once it is done, please drop a screenshot here in the comment section. We will check in a next lab or lecture if there is some problem. Okay, fine. Thank you.